from Spotahome, Madrid, and today we are in a really beautiful and bright two-bedroom apartment in Palos de la Frontera, super close from Embajadores. We are in Calle Tarragona. So let's start the video tour. So you'll come to the apartment through this gate here, and as soon as you come in, you will see a hall here. You see we have some space for holding here your coats. Here we have some shelvings. And yeah, we'll find the living room here. On the right we have the kitchen, and then through this side we have the bathroom and bedrooms number 1 and number 2. So you see it's a very bright apartment. We have big windows with a beautiful light. And you see here in the living room, you see that we have a dining table over there with a bunch of chairs. We have the TV, a small table here, and 2 sofas. Heating unit is here. We have central heating system, so the apartment is warm during the winter. And you see we have an AC here, so it is perfectly conditioned for both summer and winter. From here you can check the sofas. And yeah, the view from the living room and both bedrooms, we have same view. So you see, we now have big buildings opposite to us, so that's why we have this beautiful light coming in. And this is Calle Tarragona, so you see it's a quiet street. And there are commercial streets around with shops, market, supermarket, everything you need. Great, check it from this side as well. And now let's go to the kitchen. So here we are, it's a fully equipped kitchen. You see in this side we have the fridge, we have microwave, dishwasher, sink, washing machine. And here we have the electric stove for cooking and oven. We have a big window as well, same street view. We have some shelvings and a folding table and folding chairs for eating here, quick breakfast or lunch. And as I said, it's fully equipped. You see we have catering here, here as well. We have cupboards with a lot of space. Here is the heater for the water, and check the space and all the kitchen stuff that you will find when you come in. You see we have dishes, glasses, mugs. Down here we have pots and pans. And if you open the fridge, you can see it. We have a freezer as well. Alright, so this is the kitchen. Let's go now to that side. First on the left we'll find the bathroom. We have the hand basin here on the right with big drawers for keeping your stuff. We have this beautiful mirror with lights. The shower is here. You see everything is in great condition. And here in the side we have the toilet, bidet, and some solvents here. Great, now let's check the bedrooms. This is bedroom 2. Let's go first to bedroom number 1. So you see it's a big bedroom. We have a double bed, 2 bedside tables with lamps. We have the heating unit over there. There is a desk with a chair. Big window as well, with the same view. Here is the built-in wardrobe with a space here. Check it from this side. We have a chest of drawers over there with another mirror, and this is useful, a holder useful for clothes as well. And here we have a storage space. So you see it's all that big, and it is connected with the one here in bedroom number 2. So if you have big luggage or stuff, you can keep it then there. So yeah, alright, this is bedroom 2. You see we have a big window here. Super bright bedroom with a desk and a chair. Built-in wardrobe there. We have chest of drawers. So there is a lot of space for your clothes and stuff. With a mirror here. And this bedroom comes with a single bed. And the view is the same as from the living room and bedroom 1. Alright, so yeah. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the tour through this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in Calle Tarragona. My name is Elena and you're here in Spotahome, Madrid. Thank you, bye.